In this example, we want to write the number in scientific notation. This is 0.00000000821. Okay? So, again, a number is written in scientific notation if it has the form a times 10 to the n power, where a is a decimal number such that a is in between 1 and 10, but it can be 1, and n is an integer. So what we want to do is the first thing. We want to make sure that we want to write this particular result out. So I'm going to write this as the first step. Now remember, we're going to multiply it by a power of 10, but since we don't want to do anything to it, it's always going to be 10 to the 0 power. Okay? Now, for step number 2, okay, what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to move that decimal place to be in between those two digits between 8 and 2. But now we're going to be moving it to the right to get it there. So we got to figure out how many places does it move to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And there is the decimal point. Now 8, since we're moving the decimal to the right, this number is actually small, so it should have a negative exponent. So that means we're going to be subtracting 8. And now, let's go ahead and write this. So this is now going to be 8.21, which again falls within that rule, times 10 to the what? 0 minus 8 is negative 8. So therefore, there is our scientific notation number. So it's 8.21 times 10 to the negative 8. So 8.21 times 10, the exponent of negative 8, and there is our result.